This is another set of car gadgets designed to enhance your driving experience, offering handy tools for quick fixes as well as stylish accessories that improve comfort and convenience on the road. Need a companion while driving? Put Pokey on your dashboard. It's an interactive robot similar to those desktop robots, but Pokey was designed to entertain you on the go. It responds to your driving in real time, makes faces, and reacts to car movements. For example, it gets dizzy when you brake sharply and feels happy when you gain speed. Under that helmet, there's a whole array of components, from the Espressif mini chip and an OLED display to an accelerometer, touch sensor, and USB Type-C for power. With over 50 animations, Pokey provides emotional support on the road. Nonetheless, remember to stay focused and safe while driving. Maybe the road can become a better place if drivers improve their communication. CarWink might help with that. Attach it to your vehicle's rear windshield and show a range of messages to fellow drivers. It can display fun messages like emojis and also convey crucial information such as pedestrian crossing or accident ahead. Just ask it to do that. This innovative technology enables a new level of communication on the road without requiring other vehicles to have the same device. The bright LED lights are effective both at night and in daylight. Moreover, CarWink has a range of 30 feet, allowing you to alert more than just the driver behind you. Finally, it runs on solar power. There's no need to track the battery level. Ring is primarily known for its home security products. However, did you know that the brand also offers a product for your car? Ring's CarCam is a dual-camera dash cam that captures both interior and exterior activity. It's easy to install and control via the app. The cams record in 1080p resolution and include a GPS locator and two-way talk functionality. Need privacy? You can disable the interior-facing cam while keeping the forward-facing cam active. Additionally, the app provides live viewing, remote communication, and notifications. A subscription unlocks remote features over LTE and cloud storage. Without a subscription, recordings are stored locally. When something unpredictable happens, it's better to have an emergency tool at hand, like the Basis Emergency Hammer. First, there's a window breaker and belt cutter to help you exit the car quickly. Additionally, it features a built-in flashlight with 4 modes, including SOS to signal for help. I think that's the kind of thing you should always keep within arm's reach. It's the simplest, yet one of the most effective defenders of your vehicle. This Category 3 security steering wheel lock covers your entire steering wheel and boasts a unique spinning mechanism that thwarts thieves' attempts to turn it. Can you suggest a better shield against modern theft techniques like key cloning and keyless entry theft? Me neither. One more advantage is that it's highly visible, so it deters criminals at first sight. So simple, yet so effective. Are you an outdoor enthusiast? Is that why the trunk of your car looks like a complete mess? Let's make it a bit more organized with the GOAT Boxco Hub. It's a large and heavy-duty storage system, yet it offers a massive 62-quart capacity. The main compartment is a large cooler with freeze-frame insulation that excels in ice retention, even in warm conditions. It effectively chills beverages and food, including keeping pizza fresh overnight. Additionally, there are modular cans that allow you to keep everything isolated, from your gadgets and gear to first aid kit. By the way, in case there are more than 4 of them, there's a GOAT rack that organizes the interchangeable cans in a single centralized location. And the front-facing cargo net is a go-to stash for the gear you need at hand, from winter gloves to shop rags. Overall, it's a good storage system. Wow, that ride was awesome! But now both of us need a shower. Meet the Waterport Off-Road Shower, your new favorite adventure buddy. This portable, pressurized water storage system conveniently attaches to your vehicle, allowing you to refresh yourself whenever you need it. It's solar-powered, so while you're off exploring, it heats up your 8 gallons of water for a well-deserved warm shower or bike cleaning. It's sturdy, easy to refill, and simple to use. Gear up for your next journey and stay fresh. Roads can be absolutely unpredictable, which is why it's better to have a helping hand in your trunk to manage quick fixes. GoPump can become that kind of help, merging an air pump, jump starter, power bank, camping light, and flashlight into a compact, rugged tool. It inflates tires, and not only them, in just 1.5 minutes, and jump starts engines up to 8.5 liters of gas or 6.5 liter diesel with a powerful 2500 amp current. The 20,800 mAh power bank keeps essential gear charged for days, and with several USB ports allows you to keep a couple of your gadgets powered up too. Additionally, with a 350 lumen flashlight and a versatile LED camping light, it's ideal for any roadside emergency. Last but not least, it occupies way less space than a bunch of separate gadgets. Feeling like your car audio lacks bass when you're on the move? The 7-Tour ST800 is an advanced 10-inch ultra-slim subwoofer that you can place under your car seat to enhance your bass experience. With a peak power of 800 watts, it promises captivating bass performance. The cast aluminum enclosure ensures excellent heat dissipation, while a customized spider speaker protector and striking LED ambient light ring illuminated by blue LEDs upon ignition enhance your car's aesthetic appeal. Do you know your car's potential? The RaceBox Meter Box measures key performance stats such as 0 to 60 mph acceleration and quarter-mile times with precision. The lap timer feature provides glanceable info whether you're racing on the track or just driving to work. The drag meter helps you track your braking and speed performance, not just in your car but in any vehicle you use. Switch between distance and speed modes depending on your needs. Are you a truck owner worried about the items you keep in your truck bed? Meet Canopy Pickup Cam, a video security device that ensures comprehensive surveillance for your truck. It provides real-time monitoring of your truck bed via the Canopy Security app, allowing you to view live video and past events with push notifications for suspicious activity. Compatible with any model of truck, regardless of age, its 180-degree wide field of view offers peace of mind against theft. The HD camera includes a dynamic LED bar for added security. If you seek reliable truck protection, this device is an excellent solution with easy app connectivity and robust features. With this GPS tracker, you'll know the location of your vehicle or your loved ones in real time. Place this device in the glove box, mount it under the car using the magnetic case, or throw it in your kid's backpack. Running a business? Then you need to track vehicles with cargo in real time, correct? By tapping into a 4G network, the SpyTech tracker offers full global coverage to provide you with updates every 5 seconds. All the info is available in the app. Moreover, you can set up geofences and speed limits and receive an alert if the vehicle exits the defined zone. This way, you'll know everything is fine. Any driver who needs your phone number will now immediately see it. These sleek plates are just too hard to miss. No matter which option you choose, both of them perfectly suit any car interior. The plates come with several sets of numbers that can be quickly arranged and replaced when needed. Place the plate anywhere you want. The adhesive stickers will keep them firmly attached. I like that when you don't need the number to be exposed, you can hide it. There are a couple of other phone number plates that look like a keyboard. This one is simple, and this one may also double as a diffuser, spreading your favorite fragrances. Drop by the cafe to get your dose of caffeine, but forgot to drink it, and now it's cold? The Venter heater will keep your drink at an optimal 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact and compatible with popular paper cup sizes, it fits most car cup holders. With auto sleep, overheat protection, and rapid even heating, it ensures your drink stays perfect every time. Simply place your cup on the warmer for automatic heating and remove it for instant shutoff. It's that easy. Constantly plugging in and out your phone to your car just to listen to music? The AutoCast CarPlay adapter allows you to connect your iPhone wirelessly. Simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port, connect your iPhone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and enjoy a seamless CarPlay experience. Benefit from superior performance with Auto Connect features, no audio lag, and native CarPlay functionality such as voice control, Siri, navigation, and music streaming. Compatible with over 600 car models, excluding BMW, this adapter ensures a hassle-free setup and operation.